इंडिया में 80 लाख से भी ज्यादा लोगों को ई पासपोर्ट मिल गया है, जिसके अंदर एक छोटा सा गोल्ड लोगो होगा, which is actually an RFID chip. This chip will store your fingerprints, facial recognition data and digital signatures. Already Digi Yatra ने domestic travel and fast track immigration ने international Indian airports को बहुत efficient बना दिया है. I am a big fan of both of these technologies. But अब ई पासपोर्ट से foreign countries में भी हमारा immigration process और fast हो जाएगा. The price for a regular application is rupees 1500 for a 36-page booklet and rupees 2000 for a 60-page booklet. The Tatkal fees is additional. Over 120 countries including USA, Canada and Japan already have these e-passports, and India is also making this positive shift. Any Indian citizen who is eligible for a regular passport can now apply for an e-passport online as well. Share this with your friends जो बहुत ज़्यादा travel करते हैं, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this positive change.